What's up, everyone? I'm here with an exciting and amazing quick review of WP Engine plus a coupon code through which you can get amazing deal while buying your hosting from WP Engine. For those people who don't know, if they ask me on what is which company is the fastest WordPress hosting company with the CDN loaded with all of the features, functions, and dedicated resources, then my first thing is you should definitely go with WP Engine without any doubt. This is my own personal recommended hosting company. You can see over here I have even do a comparison of other hosting companies to see which one is the fastest, and I have rated WP Engine time by time as my most preferred fastest WordPress hosting company around. Just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to an exclusive page over here. Just simply move to plans pricing or WordPress hosting, whatever you are gonna like, or you can just simply move to the, but just make sure to click on that link. Plus I'm going to give you of the coupon codes as well. You can see that you are already getting discounts. Just simply click on the buy now button, and once you click on that buy now, you will be redirected to their sign up page. Just make sure to click on the annual, and you can use this coupon code, or there is another coupon code as well which you can use, and that is WPE for free. So you can use either of this coupon code and get this for 1 year. So without a doubt, my recommendations are to go with WP Engine as one of the finest, most preferred hosting company, and you can see that they offer you 60 days money back guarantee. If you just do a comparison of receipts, how many companies offer you a 60 days money back guarantee? There are very few companies which offer you 60 days money back guarantee. Even offering 60 days money back guarantee is requires a lot of patience, and you need to be very sure with your services, because 60 days are actually a huge time for anyone. So they are so confident about their hosting company, which is why they are offering you this. So don't miss this amazing deal, and enjoy your hosting with WP Engine with this amazing code. Just make sure to click on that link to get this amazing deals and discount. So I look forward with your hosting with WP Engine. Good luck.